Hi everyone. Okay, so I joined the Hip Kit Club. Now let me explain a little bit about this. Okay, so I joined it because I saw January's kit of the month and I was like, oh yeah, this is what I wanted, exclusive items. I wanted exclusive items to the company because I already purchased stuff out, you know, regular like Pebbles, Doodlebug. I purchased all my stuff from Paper Issues online store. I pretty much exclusively buy from Paper Issues, all that stuff. And so I saw this and I thought, oh cool, they have their own stuff. And I was super excited, so I joined. And then, so I'll show you, this is just, it's exciting to me. Super exciting. I thought I was getting an exclusive, you know, deal with this. And then they did a sneak peek, because I was late to this party. Then they showed a sneak peek, or no, the actual, not sneak peek, they actually showed this month's, February's kit of the month. And this is $40 for this. This is $40. This right here, because I purchased it as a kit, I got 15% off. So this is another, I think, $25. So you're having, you know, it's a lot of money. It's a lot. It's over $60 for this stuff because you got shipping too. So it's over $60. And it's a 3-month commitment. And I'm really quite disappointed because I just looked at their February reveal and it shows basically like 1 or 2 items that are exclusive to Hip Kit. Everything else is from like Pink Fresh Studio. Well, that's why I used to be part of Hip Kit Club back in the day because they were pretty cool. But then I quit because I was buying everything from Paper Issues, so I found myself having double items. I don't need double items. I don't need to pay double for stuff. I don't need to have a store in my own home, you know, so I didn't want that. So I quit. And then when I saw this kit, I thought, oh my God, finally. I mean, this is like 4 years ago. And I thought, finally, they're bringing their own stuff out. They have their own brand. And so that got me excited. Well, it was premature. And I can't quit because I signed a 3-month commitment. And now I'm bummed because now I'm gonna have to, you know, because I support Cassie, who's the owner of Paper Issues. She is a one-woman store out of her house, and she, you know, she deserves love and gratitude and everything else because she ships like the same day to next day. She'll ship out her stuff depending if she has a sale or not. But she, you know, she doesn't store her stuff. She doesn't sit on anything. She gets rid of it. And so you get it to your house within a week. And I love that. And so that's why I purchased from her. So now I'm going to have to go, okay, do I purchase everything? Because I just, you know, I want to support her. So do I go and get everything from Pink Fresh that's in this month's kit? And I don't know if you guys understand or not, but hopefully you do. I love this. I love this kit. I love it. I am inspired by it. I am everything by it. What I'm not happy about is that I feel I was duped by myself. Not the company itself, by myself. Because I guess I could have looked at the rest of the months. I got excited. I thought this was the bomb. And so I'm going to play with it. I'm going to have fun with it. I'm going to love it. And I have 2 more kits I'm going to get. So, but it's stuff I'm going to already own. And it's just, oh, it's just sad. It's sad because I really love the exclusiveness of this. I mean, when you get a, you know, like Felicity Jane, exclusive items, it's their own, right? That's why I keep getting Felicity Jane. Spellbinders, it's all their own stuff. And so I love that. I think it's amazing. And so, yeah, I'm just, you know, that's all. I'm going to quit making frowny faces about it. I'm just, you know, I'm sad. I'm sad, that's all. And hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from. I hope you guys understand. Especially because if you know, you buy the same stuff I do, then you know what I'm talking about. So, These are amazing. This is so amazing. I love the numbers. Oh, and like they gave you extras. That's awesome right here. So that's awesome. Yeah, awesome, awesome. Love it, love it. Love it, love it. 60 something dollars though is a lot of money though. So I'll do probably my 3 months and then be done, because I kind of did it on a spur of the moment thing after seeing this because it's so pretty. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, so gorgeous. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. I think it's called Kaleidoscope. Yeah. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? It's just, look at this one. This just had my heart. I was just like, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Because I love color. And I love working with color. It's just so great. And it's good quality. It feels like a 85-pound weight. I'm not sure if it is or not, but it feels like it's a quality weight. Look at these flowers. You could fussy cut these if you wanted to. Ooh, look at that lime. So beautiful. Wow. Yep. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, guys. That is it for the Hip Kit Club. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.